Yeah, hi everybody. I am Michael Buckoff, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of the lessons at the online TOEFL course called the 7-Step System to Pass a TOEFL IBT. I also have a Better TOEFL Scores blog to help you improve your TOEFL score, and that's exactly what I want to talk about right now. So I wrote an article a while back. I want to talk a little bit about it, and then I will include a link in the YouTube description box, and you can go and read more about this lesson. Now, everybody knows, if you've taken the TOEFL test or you're going to take it, that ETS has specific rubrics from 0 to 5, right? And from those, they get what's called holistic scores, and that's based on the sum total of your integrated and independent writing tasks. That gives you a score 0 to 30. Now, the purpose of my lesson here is to help you score 24 to 30 points on the writing. That's what I want to do. Okay, so the lesson, it talks about the scoring system that ETS uses. Now, you may say, well, Michael, why do I need to know about that? But if you understand how you're scored, it makes it easier to understand what you need to do in order to get that score. Now, the other thing you want to understand, it isn't just a human. It's also E-Rater. E-Rater is ETS's scoring engine that they use to read and score your writing. So you need to understand really two things here. What are the human raters looking for when they score your essay? And then what does E-Rater look for when it scores your essay? So ETS bases your integrated writing task score on the following areas: development, organization, grammar, vocabulary, and accuracy and completeness. You want to understand exactly what each of these things mean as it relates to your writing. So, similarly, specific factors relating to development, organization, grammar, and vocabulary will determine whether or not you have an overall high writing quality as it relates to the TOEFL independent writing task. Okay, so let's take a look at how I've organized this particular lesson. So, the first 5 topics that relate to the integrated writing task specifically. And I will talk about development, organization, grammar, vocabulary, and accuracy and completeness of content. Now, these ideas, they come exactly from the rubric that ETS uses to grade your writing. So I kind of took the rubric and I created from the rubric a specific lesson to help you perform better on the integrated writing task. Now, topics 6 through 10, similar areas. It will help you understand the development, organization, grammar, vocabulary that you need in order to get a high score on the independent writing task. So simply click on the link in the YouTube description box and you can go directly to this lesson and you can learn all 9 of these specific ideas so that you can score higher on the integrated and independent writing task. And also in point number 10, I will offer you some specific writing strategies, things that you can do today to begin scoring higher on these 2 writing tasks. All right, and thank you for watching this video.